Hello, my name is Irsa Yot, and today I am introducing our supply chain and logistics chain, Honeybadger, on behalf of the Thorium Network. So Honeybadger is powered by Cargo Ledger's technology, which is data-driven solutions for the supply chain and logistics with blockchain. Cargo Ledger is a technology partner for the Thorium Network, and as such helps us with our supply management solution. The CEO of Cargo Ledger is Hjalmar van der Schaap. So the system concerns itself with the questions, how much do you currently spend on supply chain and logistics? And how much of that is on order handling and administration? Paper is one of the main challenges in the supply chain and logistics nowadays. Because paper adds complexity, it also gets lost. However, paper also provides trust. So our technology has realized that you can organize that trust in a different manner than through lots of paper. And this is basically what Honeybadger does, all powered by Cargo Ledger's technology. So how does this work? There's a creation of something called a trusted trade lane. In this, all parties and stakeholders receive a digital identity. The system then retrieves shipment information either through an interface with existing software or through the system's front end. Together with the trusted trade lane, we then store this information in the blockchain. Sharing becomes easy, deleting data is impossible, and the changes are also transparent. So the shipment is tagged either with a sensor or with a QR code. Then the information is shared peer-to-peer. The goods are shipped, and on the receiving side, it's a matter of scanning the tag, verifying and validating, and accepting it. And basically, if everything is okay, there can be an instant payment. So here is how it works in practice. So as you can see here, we can create a trusted trade lane with all the parties that play a role in the supply chain. For example, the sender can be anything from a warehouse to a storage space for thorium or medical isotopes. The receiver can be a thorium fission reaction plant, a hospital, or anything similar. Customs and the International Atomic Agency are added as spectators. So furthermore, we can add all other involved actors as well. And as you see here, we can add all kinds of documents to the system. A bill of lading, an analysis document, are maybe like a certificate of origin or emergency response information. We then add delivery dates and specific info for customs. For instance, in this case, the shipment contains dangerous goods. So then we can basically add more detailed cargo information. Iridium 192, its details and also how it was packed. And then we can add the identifier of sensors to the system. So these certified sensors operate as oracles, and they provide information at moment of handover and help the actors in their decision making. All this data is then put on the blockchain. So this is basically what you can see here. The data is processed or mined. After this is done, all actors get notified that a shipment is on its way. Information is shared based on the roles and responsibilities that everybody has. Actors in this also receive relevant updates throughout the supply chain. We also provide track and trace, so we know who does what, where, and when, and we share this info. We have specific solutions for specific roles in the chain. An actor can get all documents on mobile devices, and signing off at acceptance can basically be done with a sign-on-screen functionality. For all the actors in the supply chain, this software that Cargo Ledger is powering provides tools that make the work easier. So what is our value add? We add proof of origin. We know what was put in at the source. We also add proof of action, so we know who does what, where, and when. And with better information, you can plan better. which is quite important. Stakeholder management and compliance becomes easier. The blockchain provides trust, basically, and up to 80% more efficiency in the supply chain. So you might think like 80% more efficiency, how do they do this? There's less verification and validation costs. The right information is given at the right time, which makes decision making easier. No more lost information, and the origin of the data can be proven as well. All the documents are available, and we can provide any authorities with the proper documents in time. There's also a single window for customs. Also, customs and authorities actually do have access to the data throughout the whole process, as if they're added as spectators, basically. The data is both human and machine readable. The software is kind of like a second layer software. It connects to existing systems through APIs. Honeybadger can gather data from these existing systems. So here are some of the APIs that it can gather data from. So an example of the value that we add is basically we know a shipper of freight forwarders saves 70 cents on every euro, and this is not including failure costs. So basically, if you want to know more about Honeybadger and the supply chain and logistics, then please do not hesitate to contact us.